Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Paper Craft With Me YouTube channel. Today I want to show you first look at a new set that is coming out, a new suite in the 2018 Stampin' Up Holiday Catalogue, and it's Signs of Santa. Now I've just received this. There is a stamp set, there are dies, there are embellishments. There is designer series paper, and I wanted particularly to show you this designer series paper because I am simply in love with it. It's 12 by 12 sheets, as you can see. There are 12 sheets in each pack, 2 sheets each of 6 double-sided designs, and what I've done is I have flipped each set over so that you can see all 12 nice and simply. So to start with, a nice bright red polka dot design. On the reverse of that is this really cute paper with lots of little elves taking the presents. That's great fun. Next, this very simple green and white design. That'd be useful for backgrounds. And on the reverse of that one, these elves again, this time in Santa's sack, playing on the rocking horse, helping to decorate the tree. Again, lots of lovely, very detailed images, but really cute. Another background, green with a very subtle diagonal design in the green and then some trees. Now I can feel when I pick this one up the magic that is on this next one. This is Snowman. I love these snowmen. I particularly like this little guy here. I'm not sure whether he's had a few too many drinks or he's just a bit tired, but he's relaxing himself there. Now I don't know if I can turn this and tilt it. This snowman here, I'm touching these snowballs and it's like a flock. It's kind of fluffy, and also you might be able to see amongst between the snowmen. If I can tilt it, hopefully at some point you'll catch that. There are snowflakes in this flock material, which is lovely. Then a gorgeous holly design. I absolutely love holly. I'm pleased to see that. And then another whimsical one, and this one again has this flocking, this white flocking. It's on the little ends of the white parts of the elf's hat. Mother Christmas's apron is flocked, and the snow on this signpost has got that flocking as well. Some red and green bows. And this one, wow, this one is all the white pieces are flocking, so you've got paper and then you've got this very soft fabric there. One more cheerful characters there, Santa with his list and in his sleigh. This bunch of presents here I thought could be used for just a baby gift. There's nothing on there that suggests Christmas, so birthdays, baby showers, that kind of thing, that would be perfect for that. And again, as I'm touching the white, I can feel that flocking again on the white areas. That's really nice. And the final one on the reverse of that is the candy canes. Now, as well as that being the most amazing paper in terms of this extra detail of the flocking, this also comes with a bit of an added bonus. So I have set out the dies that come with the suite separately. Now I've put them into 3 bundles. These 3 don't match up with anything. They don't match up with any stamps. They don't match up with anything on here really. It'd be a bit difficult. I suppose you could try and cut out some of the snowflakes, but that would be a bit of a challenge. This one is just a little tiny label and it will fit these little sentiments here. In fact, it will fit everything apart from that main one and the seal. These other 2 dies coordinate with that one on the stamp set and with that one on the stamp set. and they only coordinate with the stamp set. The others here, 3, 6, 8 dies, not only have coordinating images with the Signs of Santa stamp set, but they also coordinate with images on this paper. So this one, that's Santa with his list. So as well as stamping and colouring, if you have the paper, you can cut it out directly from there. We have the elf, you can see that, cuts out the elf, and this one cuts out the other elf. So that's really useful. Moving on to one of the other sheets of paper, this piece here. Again, we have the elves. Get him set up straight. Like that. We have a little stack of presents. We have the little cart. We have Mother Christmas. Get that set there. And we have the signpost facing with the sign that way, or you can cut the whole signpost out complete with the sign on it. And notice that that faces in a different direction. The snow is on the top, the more ragged edge is on the top, and that so that you can have your, when you stamp your signs, you can have the signs facing in opposite directions. So the way I've decided to sort out my dies here is on one side I have all the dies that not only coordinate with the stamp set, they also will cut out images from the designer series paper. Then I have a couple of dies that will only coordinate with the stamp set, and then I have these 3 extras. So that really makes this set very, very versatile. There's plenty of room around these images to cut out the snowman. There's plenty of room around here to take out individual pieces. So I absolutely love it. Here's the stamp set. It's a photopolymer stamp set, so you can see right through it. You can see where to put these sentiments in the little signs there. Really nice set. And then to coordinate with that, we have some little embellishments. I'll take them out of the packet, then they won't reflect too much. And we have these little embellishments. So we've got some Christmas trees, we've got 2 sizes of snowflake, some little red bows, and 3 lots of dots in 2 sizes. So all in all, an absolutely stunning suite. There are a few other bits and pieces that you can get to go with it. There are memories and more cards for memory keeping or for instantly making cards, and lots of other bits and pieces that work really well with that, including ribbons and trims. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to go off now and make something just because I can, and I will post that project on my blog a little later on. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you'll come back and join me soon. If you want some more paper crafting inspiration and ideas, visit my website www.papercraftwithme.com, and I have daily blog ideas and posts, and you can get lots of information from there about Stampin' Up. You can also order the items from me if you live in Canada. I hope to speak to you soon. Bye.